The Southern Pacific 9010 is one of the most historically significant pieces of rail equipment in the entire Bay Area region. In short, the Southern Pacific was in competition with the Union Pacific, who started searching for higher horsepower diesel locomotives in the early 1960s. The SP opted to import several locomotives from Germany as an answer to the acquisitions of the UP. Here at the Niles Canyon Railway, the sole surviving example of one of these beasts smokes up a storm as the restoration crew begins firing it up.
Oh, look at that thing on it. On fire, but she might as well be.
I know, right?
This locomotive was built in 1964 by Krauss Maffei, and it's an ML4000C'C. The crew here at Niles has been working hard for many years getting the locomotive looking shiny and sounding just like a big rig truck while she finally moves under her own power. Originally, the locomotive had two engine blocks making a total of 4,000 horsepower, but Niles will only be running it with one, making it the railway's strongest diesel at 2,000 horsepower. It's also a diesel hydraulic locomotive, meaning that instead of having electrically driven traction motors, the power is transferred from the engine through torque converters, similar to an automatic transmission in an automobile. This makes the locomotive a diesel hydraulic instead of a diesel electric. This concludes the test run in the yard, and here she is out and about on the 4th of July. The 9010 will now back up next to our GP9, number 5623, for an amazing Southern Pacific photo shoot.
9010 to Mr. Hedberg, can you get the crossing for us, please? On the way. Tim Garrett's going to call your stop when you get close to the area. Thank you.
Thanks to everyone for watching, especially everyone who recently helped me reach 1,000 subscribers. Visit the Niles Canyon Railway in the meantime as well, for an awesome scenic train ride through the canyon. Let's keep the channel growing, and here's to rail preservation.
Safe trip! Have fun storming the castle!